mainly here to promote the results of a big project that we are currently running together with some other maintenance societies in the northwestern part of Europe. So it's a project supported by Interreg, and it's called More for Core. And we had a number of activities within this project, and so we want to share the insights that we have found in this project.
So can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Well, one of the main work packages and activities was a big benchmark exercise where we had the opportunity to benchmark, to investigate the maintenance results in hundreds of companies. In fact, I think we had more than 300 participants at the end. And so coming from mainly Belgium and Holland, a few in Germany and France too. And so, well, we asked them about, okay, what are their maintenance costs, what is their performance, but also, and that is quite new for the first time I think, we also asked them about their asset portfolio and what is the age of their assets. So it's giving quite interesting insights. One of the most interesting things and facts that we saw is that, of course, there will be quite a big need of industrial investments in the coming years. So the most remarkable figure that we saw is that we expect that about 44% of the industrial assets will reach end of life within this and 10 years. So when you see that in the coming years, then there will be a huge need of replacement or lifetime extension of those industrial assets that will be needed in order to keep the industrial activity over here. 5,500 billion euros. And so where does that come from? Currently we don't see this type of investments going on here in Western Europe. So I think with this figure you want to demonstrate to policymakers that one, this need will arrive there and it's quite urgent in fact. Two, that we also then want to demonstrate that the maintenance community can really help in order to cope with this, because if these investments, these amounts of money are not available, then of course another solution rather than closing the plant could be, okay, we want to revamp, we want to extend the lifetime of the assets that are there. So smaller investments are needed, and the return, the value of these assets is preserved. Otherwise we will have a huge loss of value of industrial assets, and well, we don't want that, I think, in order to keep up an economy.